Unleash the full potential of your Aston Martin DB9 with our official factory workshop service repair manual. Covering model years 2004 to 2011, this comprehensive guide is the very same resource employed by Aston Martin Services, ensuring you have access to the highest quality information for maintaining and repairing your luxury vehicle. Key features: models DB9, model years 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011. Engines: petrol. Gearboxes: automatic, manual. No. Of pages: 1080. Language: English. Wiring: yes. What's inside? Official Aston Martin manufacturer specifications. Step-by-step repair instructions with illustrations and wiring diagrams. Comprehensive coverage of body, engine, suspension, driveline, brake, transmission, clutch, exhaust, fuel, steering, climate control, and more. Circuit diagrams and electronic features. Appendix and glossary for quick reference. About the manual and important information. Used by official and authorized dealer services and professional automotive services. Follow official repair processes recommended by the car manufacturer. Compatible with Android, iOS, Windows, Linux. Suitable for notebook, laptop, tablet, smartphone, PC, etc. Searchable content with a table of contents for easy navigation. Print any page, chapter, or the entire manual whenever needed. Why choose the PDF version? Environmentally friendly. Recover the manual anytime without the risk of loss. Download and save on every device. Print out specific sections or the entire manual as required. Illustrated with diagrams, illustrations, and tables for clarity. Elevate your Aston Martin ownership experience by arming yourself with the knowledge and guidance found in our official factory workshop service repair manual. Uncover the secrets of your DB9 and ensure it continues to deliver a driving experience befitting of its iconic status. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Your support means a lot. Thanks for watching.